Can you cut any of the QuietWarmth Radiant heat film mats? Well, yes, you can. And that is one of the best attributes of the QuietWarmth system. All the QuietWarmth mats are ready to go right out of the box. So if you don't need to cut to length to fit your area, you can just unroll and go. But one of the best attributes that makes the QuietWarmth Radiant heat products unique from many other traditional wired floor heat products is the fact that you can cut the mats to length. All the QuietWarmth products are made from a conductive ink technology. Because of this, it allows for our products to be flexible and thinner than a credit card. And it makes cutting them easy for all three product applications, and they only require a regular household scissors. For floating floor applications, the ones labeled float on the package are for floors that float over the subfloor, like floating vinyl planks that are 4 millimeters or greater in overall thickness, laminate, floating engineered wood, and floating tile installations like Mohawk's Fast Tile. The float mats just require cutting between the dotted lines. Do not cut into the black heating stripe. If a black stripe is cut into by mistake, simply cut off the next black stripe between the dotted lines. Each box mat comes with 2 colored insulating discs to cover the freshly cut silver bus bar ends. Be sure to cover each side completely with the colored discs. For traditional tile and glue-down flooring applications, the ones labeled tile on the package are for floors that require thin-set mortar or other adhesives. Just like the floor mats, the tile mats require cutting across the mat between the black stripes just as before. After cutting, the tile mats do require an additional step to get a good seal around the cut edge of the mat and to properly create a moisture-tight barrier. Cut back 1 black heat stripe from both sides of the panel. And this will deaden the last heat stripe so the mat will properly be encased in the membrane. Make sure not to cut into the second black stripe. In the box, the mat comes with 2 colored insulating discs. On each side, fold the colored insulating discs over the ends of the silver bus bars, covering these ends completely to avoid electrical leakage. We've placed a link in the description to our video installation instructions and how to fully prepare the tile mats for installation even after cutting. Now finally, when cutting the QuietWarmth Radiant heat system for under subfloors, the ones labeled Joist on the package are for under subfloors with access below with 16-inch on-center joist spacing. Unlike float and tile versions that you can cut almost any length off as needed, the joist version is built upon 1-foot panel increments. Only cut between the 1-foot panels that are marked "Cut Here." Do not cut randomly into any part of the black stripes that are not labeled where to be cut. Doing so will disable the mat from working properly. Insulate the cut ends with the provided colored discs on both of the freshly cut silver bus bar ends. If for whatever reason you misplace or cannot locate the colored insulating discs, you may simply use electrical tape to cover the ends of the cut silver bus bars. If you like what you saw, give us a like and make sure to subscribe to our page. QuietWarmth.com has a variety of helpful tools and resources to consider. Ensure to check all of them out along with our room design tool that can help you properly lay out a room with the help of a QuietWarmth technician.